by Giving PGP Family. Hello guys, welcome by a new video by Giving PGP Family. Today I want to show you how you can use your phone as a webcam. So for that you need a special app, so a special website, iruin.com. So we're gonna install two different apps, one on the phone and one on the laptop or PC. In my opinion, is it now the PC? So it doesn't matter if you're using Windows, webcam, so Mac or Ubuntu. In my opinion, I'm taking out Windows. So let's start. So if you press at Windows, then you save your files. Then you get a file down left. You press on that. Then you're coming here. They're gonna ask you a question, and I will now say yes. Then you're getting another file. You can accept. So now you must read your license argument what I've already done. So I will just accept it. Then you press on next. Then you see a file setup, how you want your webcam. I'll just leave it in Iruna webcam X68. So then you start install. And when you install, then you can press direct on finish. Then you done it. Then you will get here another place where actually the now the webcam would start. But I didn't start it with the phone. It's not connected yet. And one thing is very important when you want to make a webcam, when you want to use your phone as a webcam. You need the same Wi-Fi. The phone and the laptop needs the same Wi-Fi or it would not work. So let's go with the phone. So let's start. You can go on search on Google Play or App Store. But in my opinion, I'm going now on search. Then you go to Aruin apps. Then you see here Aruin 4K webcam for videos. So you guys can already see that I've already got the app. Let's just press on öffnen. Now you are in, no? And now you can even see me there, right there. You guys can see me. So let me say hello. So you can even use Zoom or Teams for the webcam to make the web smaller, that you can even see the gaming at the foreground. So that was it, guys. Have a great time. Please subscribe, share, click on this notification button and smash that subscribe button. Bye.
Always stay at the side, edge. Stay at the side, right? Yeah, stay at the side. Don't go in the middle. at the side. Yes, so. Sean, super. Prince is not good, man. Sean, cool. High five. Cha. Yeah, got the high five to Prince. High five. High five. Just hold him. Yeah, Frisbee. Nee. Sit here. So, hi. Hello. Yeah, Frisbee. Come down a little bit. Cross wheel. Raceway. 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 careful, it's in one fish. Don't touch it. Trying to stand up. Cool, geschafft jetzt. Cool. Wieder. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tschüss.
Boah, aber schön geiles Wochenende für euch. Ne?
Tschüss.
Und dann noch Montag direkt hier Sportfest, dann direkt danach.
Aber kein Bock auf Sport.
Dann einfach so Ausflug, ne?
Ey, Dubai weit werfen. Da sehe ich mich ja nicht. Ich sehe mich eigentlich bei gar nichts. Ich sehe mich nur auf dem Sofa liegen.
Nee, zocken.
Alter, zocken ist ja
Aufstehen, aufstehen.
Ey, Grace, du hast ja gesagt Tschüss, ne? Davor schreibst du mal meinen Namen. Oh, das ist ja Sport. Ich bin da was.